Part B, the cube root of negative 432 y to the 17th, x to the 10th, z to the 3rd. To simplify this, we want to look for perfect cubed factors to undo with the cube root. In order to find if we can have perfect cube factors from the 432, we would write out the prime factorization of 432. 432 divided by 2 gives 216. 216 divided by 2 gives 108. Divided by 2 gives 54. Divided by 2 gives 27. Divided by 3 gives 9. And then divided by 3 gives 3. So we can see that we can get factors, perfect cube factors, 2 to the 3rd. And then we have that 2 remaining. And then we have another perfect cube factors, 3 to the 3rd. All right, so let's rewrite this expression. This is the cube root of negative 432 is the same thing as negative 1 times 432. And we know that 432 can be written as 2 to the 3rd times 2 times 3 cubed. Next, y to the 17th, there are perfect cube factor from y to the 17th. I'm going to rewrite y to the 17th as y to the 15th times y to the 2nd. Now, the reason why I separate y to the 17th as y to the 15th times y to the 2nd is because, first of all, 15 plus 2 gives us 17. And secondly, 15 is a multiple of 3. So I can take 15 and divide by 3 evenly. Next, x to the 10th. X to the 10th is x to the 9th times x. So I'm trying to look for factors that has a high exponent as possible, closer to the 10 but still divisible by 3. And then next we have z to the 3rd. All right, now let's try to simplify this. The cube root of 1 is going to be negative 1. The cube root of 2 cubed is going to be 2. The cube root of 2 is not a perfect cube, so it remains inside. The cube root of 3 cubed is going to be 3. The cube root of y to the 15, there are going to be 5 perfect cubes in there. 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. So we end up with y to the 5th. Y squared is going to stay in there. X to the 9th. There are 3 factors of x cubed in there. So 9 divided by 3, that would be 3. So x cubed, the cube root of x 9th. The cube root of x in the 9th is x cubed. We have the factor of x there. And then the cube root of z to the 3rd is going to be c. And we're going to write out what's remaining inside the radical. We have 2. We have the y squared. And then we have the x. Simplify this a bit further. Negative 1 times 2 times 3, that's negative 6. Y to the 5th, x cubed, z to the z, and then the cube root of 2 times y squared x.